Hi Michael, hi Arlene, hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the vehicle from the back doors, front doors, whichever doors you have, the mechanism is the same. I will also show you how to make sure the walkaway auto lock is turned off. I default turn it on your vehicle, mainly because it's sort of like a safety thing. If you leave your vehicle unlocked and you're walking away from it, your vehicle senses that and it locks itself. It's a very simple trick. I'll show you right away. So let's get right to it. So when we start up the vehicle, this is what your infotainment screen looks like. It's pretty much the same. We click on this arrow and then you'll see there's a vehicle settings right there. So I click on vehicle settings. And this is a bunch of customizable stuff, like I can customize the keyless access, the meters, the driver positioning, and all of that good stuff. So what you want to do is you want to go into door plus window setup. And the feature you're looking for is actually called this walkaway auto lock. Walkaway auto lock basically means, if I click on it, it basically means that if I walk away from the vehicle, it will lock itself. So now that I have turned it on, if I turn the vehicle off, walk away, it will lock itself. If I turn it off, it will wait for me to lock the vehicle, and the vehicle will not lock on its own. Now let's look at the
As you can see,
locks.
I'm sitting in the back seat, and visibly I've got the heated seat button right here. I've got this for my windows, and then this is where I used to go in and out of the car. So this guy right here, like right above this, is this flick, and then that lets me unlock the door. So you see how? You see this little guy right here? If I flick this inwards, it's locked. And if I flick this back, it's unlocked. You see that red dot? That means it's unlocked. So I can just unlock that. So that's how you unlock the door from the rear passenger side and the front as well. If there's any questions you guys have, feel free to reach out to me. I hope you guys are enjoying your CRV. It's been a pleasure. Talk to you soon. Bye.